Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a screen recording on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings you want to go down and tap on Control Center. In here you want to go down to the More Controls section and then tap on Screen Recording Add button. So tap on the green Add button to add it to Control Center. It should be in the Included Controls section right here. Now swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now that you have added to the Control Center, we want to now pull down the Control Center. And then once you are ready, tap on the Record button to start recording with the default settings. If you want to change the settings, you can touch and hold on the screen recording button. And in here, you can choose which app to use the screen recording with. So if you choose Photos, it will start to record. And then after you have tapped on the stop button, the file will be saved to Photos. If you choose Discord, then it will start broadcasting. Messenger, Discord. And if I choose Photos, I can start recording. Now at the bottom here, you can choose to include or turn off microphone, so you can turn it on or off. And then you can tap on the start recording button, and that will start the countdown, and then it will start recording now. Okay, so this is how you can record a screen. Now if you need to stop the screen recording, you can tap on the button up here. So tap on the clock and it will pop out, and then tap on stop. It will not record the stop button pop up. So if I play the video now, so I go into Photos. If I can find Photos, so Photos, and if I play the last video, you can see here near the end, it will just record the screen and it will not record that stopped pop-up screen. And that's it. So that's how you can start a screen recording by pulling down the control center. Now let's see what happens if we use the start broadcast. So if we tap on start broadcast and choose another app, so it will start the recording as normal, but then you can tap on stop broadcast and it just tap on a tick in TikTok. And now I'm not sure where is the file now saved. So if I go into Photos, it is not saved in Photos. So perhaps you need to open up TikTok, and it is in your TikTok library. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.